Happy Eliza Day, everyone. This is a how-to video. It's my first how-to video for our site, and I'm going to share how to fix your oven. If you have a Samsung double oven, I'll show you what our model looks like. So this is one of the newer Samsungs that came out. I think we bought this in, what, 2017, 2018? But it's a Samsung that has the double oven where the second compartment, it can bend down like that. So if you have this oven and you ran a self-clean function and all of a sudden the screen went blank and the door was still locked, you have likely a blown fuse. So our story was that I was running a self-clean oven function and our electric company had to do some work on the building and they disconnected the power. So when that happened, it blew the fuse. So I'm going to show you the simple $10 fix of how we did it, and it took me 5 minutes. So what you're gonna do is first get upset that your oven doesn't work, and that's okay, because then you can see the silver lining that now would be a fantastic time to clean your floor behind the oven, which mine had a bunch of garbage under there. And you're also, if you have boys, you're likely gonna find a Matchbox car, maybe two, a toy screw, a toy Lego, and a marble. Also broken glass and a bunch of crumbs. So you can clean that up first, pull out your oven. You're gonna need to order this part. It is a fuse for your stove. So for this exact model, there's the part number right there, DE4720037A. But you can freeze this video, and this is the exact part that we ordered for this model. Once you pull your oven out, all you have to do is take the back panel off. It sounds scary, but it's the simplest thing ever. I literally removed about 6 screws. So all the tools you need is one Phillips screw head for a number 2 Phillips. You're gonna remove the screws. So when this back panel is on here, it's just the cover, and you'll see like right around the edge, there's, that's where the Phillips screws came out of. So you'll just take that cover off. And then in this model, it looks like, sorry, excuse me, like there's a lot of wires and a lot of things going on, but right on the bottom right corner, you're gonna see this little area. This is the fuse. All you wanna do is unhook these. So you're gonna pull down on the little wire. Take those apart, okay, and then you're going to take this little screw out here, slide this out, and then you're literally going to replace the fuse, the part that you just bought. It's just a new one. Put that back in, screw the Phillips screw back in, and then reattach the leads again here. And this is not like a positive and a negative, so you don't have to worry about electrocuting yourself, but I would make sure your stove is unplugged, obviously. And then after you've done that, when you replug your oven back in, we'll plug mine back in quick. Okay. Sorry. When you replug it back in, all of a sudden you'll hear it go, start singing, it'll make beautiful music, your door will unlock again, and then all of a sudden the panel will come back. If you're not sure if it's the fuse and you think it might be something else, you want to check the power supply, so obviously check your breaker switches, do all of that. If you've done that, you've even checked the test and reset button on your outlets for your wall, all of that comes back fine. If it is the fuse but it's not the electricity, you'll know because you can check the top of your stove. So if you take your stove and just try to turn on one of the burners, if you can light the burner and you get the clicking, then you know that it's not the power because your stove has power to work the top functions. So that means it's likely the fuse, and that's why the computer and the actual oven part did not unlock. So very simple, cost $10. I'm sharing this so we can save you the $400 we wasted on our Samsung washing machine. Because sometimes it's just a simple...
Dad, try to fix that one.
Yeah, my husband tried to fix the washing machine, so we paid a lot of money. But I learned this through just a little bit of research and also getting ideas from other people on YouTube, but I wanted to share for our specific model, where it was located, kind of the thought process on what we had to go through to save somebody else time and money. But again, all you need is this $10 part, and in the end of the day, now my floor has been cleaned behind my oven, and we found some of the kids' toys. So it wasn't a loss, and my oven works. All right, bye.